Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you could adjust the transparency for objects like images and photos, for example, in your presentation on Google Slides really quickly. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. So let me, for example, choose that photo or image here for the sake of this tutorial and this slide or presentation. So what you want to do, guys, is it's super simple. Simply left click on the given image, and after that you will see that feature here at the top, format option. So select it, and after that this panel here to the right will pop up. So from that panel, simply select adjustments, expand by clicking on that arrow down icon, and in the final step simply move that slider here, opacity, to adjust the given image's opacity or transparency level, just like that. So for example, if I move that slider, let's say to 25 or 30%, it will be pretty much transparent, almost invisible. So you may play around with this as much as you like to find your preferred transparency level. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.